Yo, what is up, guys? I just got a huge freaking package delivered to me. As you can see here, there's just giant boxes, and as you can see right here, you could probably tell by the shape of this, I think this is a carbon fiber hood for me. They literally came, and I haven't even brushed my teeth or like anything, so I'm pretty sure I was just breathing like really nasty as breath in this guy's face. I guess first thing I'm gonna do is open this hood right now, and we'll check it out. I guess I should basically come up with a base game plan. So first thing I'm gonna do, I have to install these hood latches, hood pivot things, hood parts, hood connectors.
Hinges.
That'll be the easy part. This whole thing should be pretty easy. The only thing I'm a little bit nervous about is when it comes to these hood pins that I got, these hood latches. Everything else should be super straightforward, super easy. I don't know why my hair does this every time I get out of the shower. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh. All right, back with the glove. All right, so that took forever, but I got these in now. Alright, so this is how everything's looking so far. Basically, I think it was these latches, because I just replaced them, but they didn't really line up. So what I had to do is create basically a little spacer in there on both sides, so that when you close it, this and this are like pretty much even. There is a slight difference, but they're pretty close. I'm really happy with how it came out. And the fitment of the hood, basically, as you can see, I'll try to show it. It's pretty good. Up here is very good, and then as you start to go down, it gets a little bit bigger of a gap. This side is pretty much good the whole way. Just a slight small gap there. When I push this down, that fits perfectly. The hood is hitting something. I think it's hitting my power steering. Basically what ends up happening is I could just push it down a little bit. It looks amazing. I thought it would look a little nicer with these big ass vents. It just looks absolutely amazing, and I could not be happier with how it looks. I don't know if I want to keep this raw carbon look or if I want to paint it. Not sure. I do want to paint the car. What I might do is I might paint all of this and then leave just the vents carbon. I think that would look really cool. I've seen a couple of RSXs like that, but yeah, so far that's that. Next thing to do is going to be to install the actual hood latches. This is going to be the hardest part, and the only part I've really been worried about. I'm going to take it very cautiously. And just try to do my best job to keep it very even so that I don't have to I don't want to have the holes in the wrong spot. So it should go pretty well. Right now, Angel's on the way. I have a big headache and I'm super tired and hungry, so we're probably gonna get food or something, and then I will get started on these hood latches. So yeah, see you soon. Food break.
I need to I think you need to create a brand or some type of brand. I think that's the next
He's
step.
thinking about eliminate. That's
what he needed, because they came up fucking fast as fuck. They came up out of nowhere.
Alright, we're back and we're now arguing about my YouTube career.
What's up?
I should be like Eliminate, right?
Well, I'm a Stancy boy, but like it's still different. Like I still beat on my car.
So I guess now we got to do the hood pins, right? So Angel convinced me to take out the, what is this called?
Rain guards.
Yeah, and this is honestly like, I don't know. I thought I could keep it in there just cause, but it's like way lighter and it looks way cooler without it. So I took that out.
Okay.
Alright, so basically what I was thinking is where the hood rests on the stopper, I'm basically gonna put it like this. I think that looks the best. I saw another guy do it. I thought it looked awesome. The other way is like that, but I don't know. I just don't like the way it looks. So I think I'm gonna try this.
You right here. Right.
I did fail.
You failed. Attempt number 2.
Put it.
Meanwhile, I don't know what the fuck's going on this side.
I'm telling you, if you just move the fucking headlight.
All right, let me try. Money.
You got it?
Money, yeah.
Both?
Yeah. How is it that hard? This is easy.
All right, shut up, peasant.
That was the easiest shit I've ever done. This could be anything, toothpaste, whatever you want to do. Right on top there. Just to make sure we know where to drill. Alright. Alright. We got 2 holes. So now what we gotta do is we gotta go straight through here, find out where it's gonna come out on the top, and then we can start thinking about where to place the top thing.
Somehow that was way too fast.
Oh,
There's a Remember, this side's not extended either. There. I just want to see how it looks.
Well, that's what we got. Yeah, so basically, guys, what you end up with is you have your, this will focus, you have your hood pin here with a little rubber stopper. Now this is going to basically make it where your hood rests. I have the one from the other side. I cut it down to where I want the hood to sit. Now that you know where you want your hood to sit, you basically just adjust this up and down until it fits right in the hole that you've created, or fits right into the actual latch mechanism. So you go up and down with this, and you'll have another nut. So it'll look something like this with your radiator support, or wherever you want to mount it. Sorry, let this focus. My hands are so dirty. Wherever you want to mount it, it'll sit on here, and then this will basically go right on top of there. You tighten these two against each other, and then boom, you have a solid mount. Then you just put you cut your hole, just like on the other side here. You put the actual latch on, bolt it up, put the backing on, put the 4 nuts on, and then that's that. I mean, it's pretty, not gonna lie, it is a pretty daunting process, and it can be like really scary and just like really intimidating, but after doing it, you can mess up, but if you're really careful, it kind of is hard to mess up. It's not as hard as you would think. That's how I'm gonna put it. So, it's something that looks really, really difficult, but if you just are careful and plan out what you're doing, you can do it. It's literally not that hard. I love the way it turned out. I honestly could not be happier. Now guys, I'm not going to show the entire process. Basically, from the few clips I had there, you could probably gather how to do it yourself. If not, and you want a very detailed explanation, go check out, I'm gonna link it in the description. It's a video by Mighty Car Mods. They're a very popular Australian channel. They have a very in-depth, detailed video of the actual install, how to do hood pins. That's what taught me basically how to do this. So I would recommend to go check that out instead of me trying to explain it, because I'm not really claiming to be an educational channel. I'd rather be more entertaining. Yeah, I just wouldn't rather go so in-depth as they do. So definitely go check out their channel. I will, like I said, I'll leave it in the description below. And yeah, You need to watch that if you want to do hood pins. Go click on it. This is the coolest thing I've done to the car, I think, so far. Either this or the wide body kit. But both of those things are just like incredible that I would never imagine I could ever do before. But now that it's on the car, I just want to show you guys. This is like the coolest thing ever. Just watch. Just give it a little. Listen to this sound. Ready? Ooh! Oh, that wasn't a good one. Hold on. Let me redo it. Ooh! That is just. This is like. If this doesn't make your inner child like. I don't know, like. Just come out of you. I don't know what will. Just like that. And then to close it, same deal. Oh, that is so cool. So yeah, that's done. I have a big mess to clean. So I'm going to clean this up and I'm going to fast forward to tomorrow when I pull it out into the sun. Alright guys, it's the next day, so like I said, I'm going to take a few cinematics of the car, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good, so here we go. So yeah, that's the hood. Obviously, it doesn't look that great without the bumper, but hopefully, and with the broken light also. But hopefully I'll get that 05 conversion. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. So yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.